Investing can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. With so many options and risks, how do you know where to begin? The good news is that the rich have already paved the way. In this video, we'll explore 7 beginner-friendly investments recommended by the wealthy for 2025. These strategies are designed to help you build wealth, even if you're starting small. These investments aren't about quick wins or risky bets. They're practical, proven methods that align with today's economic trends and opportunities. Whether you're saving for retirement, looking to grow your income, or planning for your future, this guide will give you the confidence to take your first steps. No matter your income or experience, this video will show you where to invest your hard-earned money wisely. Stick with us to learn how to start building your portfolio and setting the stage for long-term financial success. Let's dive in. Starting your investment journey can feel intimidating, but you're not alone. Many wealthy individuals started with small, calculated decisions just like you. The key is to avoid being paralyzed by options and focus on strategies that fit your goals. Have you ever wondered why some people build wealth while others stay stuck? The difference often lies in where and how they invest their money. One common misconception is that you need a lot of money to start investing. In reality, some of the most successful investors began with small amounts, letting time and consistency work in their favor. Whether you have $50 or $5,000, the right investments can help you grow your wealth steadily. Imagine starting now and seeing your portfolio grow year after year. The investments we'll discuss today are beginner-friendly, low-risk, and aligned with the trends shaping 2025. By focusing on these, you'll not only protect your money but also position yourself for growth in the coming years. Let's explore these 7 opportunities and how they can fit into your financial journey. Investment 1. Index funds. Recommended by billionaires like Warren Buffett, index funds are a low-cost, diversified way to invest in the stock market. They track the performance of major indices like the S&P 500, offering steady growth over time. Investment 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms now allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $100, making property ownership accessible without buying a house. Investment 3. High-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow passively while staying liquid. Investment 4. Dividend stocks. These stocks pay regular dividends, providing a reliable income stream while growing your portfolio. Many wealthy investors use dividends as a cornerstone of their passive income strategies. Investment 5. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Similar to index funds, ETFs are diversified and easy to trade, offering flexibility for beginners. Investment 6. Peer-to-peer lending. By lending money through platforms, you can earn higher returns than traditional savings, though it involves some risk. Investment 7. Cryptocurrency with caution. Digital currencies like Bitcoin remain popular, but experts recommend allocating only a small portion of your portfolio due to volatility. Consider someone who started investing $100 monthly into an index fund 10 years ago. By 2025, their portfolio could have grown significantly, thanks to consistent contributions and market growth. The lesson? Small, regular investments can create substantial wealth over time. Real estate crowdfunding is another game changer. Instead of needing thousands for a down payment, you can own a small piece of a property and share in the rental income. This democratizes real estate investing, allowing beginners to enter the market with ease. The rise of ETFs and cryptocurrencies has opened new doors for beginners. While ETFs offer stability and diversification, cryptocurrencies add a layer of innovation and risk. The key is balance. Invest more in stable options and use a smaller portion for higher risk, higher reward opportunities. Investing isn't just about growing wealth. It's about creating opportunities and security for your future. Think about what investing could mean for you. Is it the freedom to travel, retire early, or provide for your family? By aligning your investments with your goals, every dollar you allocate becomes a step closer to the life you envision. The key to successful investing is starting early and staying consistent. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by market fluctuations or fear of losing money, but remember, wealth is built over time, not overnight. Even small contributions, when invested wisely, can compound into significant returns. It's essential to approach investing with resilience and patience. The rich understand that setbacks and market dips are temporary. They focus on the long-term rewards. By adopting this mindset, you empower yourself to stay committed, adapt when necessary, and keep building your portfolio toward lasting success. In this video, we explored 7 beginner-friendly investments recommended by The Wealthy for 2025. From index funds and ETFs to real estate crowdfunding and dividend stocks, these strategies offer a balanced approach to growing your wealth. The best part? You don't need a large income to get started, just a commitment to consistency and learning. The secret to successful investing lies in diversification and patience. By spreading your investments across multiple streams, you reduce risk while maximizing potential returns. Remember, even small, steady steps can lead to significant financial growth over time. Investing is about building a future that aligns with your dreams. By taking action today and adopting these strategies, you're setting the stage for financial security and freedom in the years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are ready to start investing. Your support helps us create more content to empower people to take control of their financial future. Now it's time to take action. Choose one of the 7 investments we discussed and start small. Whether it's opening a high-yield savings account, investing in an ETF, or exploring real estate crowdfunding, every step counts. Share your progress in the comments below. We'd love to celebrate your journey. Investing is a journey, and you're in control of your destination. Stay consistent, stay informed, and remember that every small effort today builds a brighter tomorrow. Check out our other videos for more strategies and tips, and let's keep growing together.